I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. If you missed my last video about how I'm going to be redoing this room, make sure you check it out and I will link it right over here for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a total redecorate for my son Caleb's room. He turned 9 this past weekend and he wanted to have his main present for his birthday be a total room decor redo. So that's what we're doing today. And I can't wait to get started because he has actually had his bedroom in a vintage baseball style for the last 7 years. So it is definitely time for a redo. Also, if you guys are brand new here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're here for some more fun videos coming later this year. So my very first thing I'm planning to do is I want to show you guys how this room currently looks, and then I'm going to show you how it's going to look as I go through it. We will probably start with things taking off the walls, taking off old bedding, and just making it bare so that it's a nice blank canvas to redo everything with. So let's take a look around the room first. So if you come into the room, on the left-hand side we have handmade shelves that my husband and I built. We have his dresser here with just a couple of things on it. Another double shelf over there. The bed. We actually got this bedding from Pottery Barn a long time ago, even the duvet and everything is, and we just love it. But it's time for a change, so we have this baseball lamp over here, that's gotta go. Blue curtains, which actually are going to be just fine for this room. I know you guys can't really see too well because the lighting is awful. There we go, a little bit better. Over there we have 2 pictures that are very off-centered, but when we got that desk I didn't want to move them, so they just stayed put. And then that mirror needs to go too. So I'm really looking forward to doing the redo. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got everything out of here from the old decor. As you guys saw on this wall, I was having a hard time taking these little things off. These are by 3M. I don't know if you guys can see those okay. Do not buy these. Just don't do it. I think they're made for jewelry and stuff, but I was using these little ones to hang up the little name tag plates, and it pulled off a little bit of the wall because it was not coming off. And they've only been up there for 3 years, so yeah, I don't suggest these, so just don't buy those. But everything else by 3M I love. I used the Velcro strips on those other 2 pictures on the wall over here, and they came off no problem as usual, so I love those. So let's go ahead and get started with decorating the rest of the room. I am so excited to get started. So my very last thing that I need to hang on the walls are these awesome oars. If you guys watched my last video that I linked before, you'll know that these were very yellowy orange, and I refinished these. So I basically stripped all of the stain off, and then I whitewashed these, and then I put on my own design on the end, and I did share that on my Instagram. So if you guys go visit my Instagram stories, you can see exactly how I did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang these up. I just got done decorating. I absolutely love it in here. My son Caleb is going to just die when he gets home. He's gonna love this so much. It's so light, fresh. He's gonna love the blues in here, and these oars were just so perfect for this space. I'm so happy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll go around the room real slow here and you guys can see everything, how it looks together. And yeah, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.